Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to open Task Manager in Windows 11. Task Manager helps you view running app, check system performance, and close programs that are not responding. So let's get started. So firstly, use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager directly with the keys. Second method is right click the start button. You will see the menu. From there you will search for task manager. Here it is. Tap to open it. Here you will see again task manager open successfully. Third method is use window search. Click on start menu. In the search bar you can search for task manager. Here you will see, just tap on it and it will directly open. The fourth method is using the run command. Press the Windows plus R. Here you will type task mgr. Then press enter. Task manager will open immediately. That's it. These are the 4 easiest way to open task manager in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.